All right, I'm here with Ted. He just finished up the advanced laser program on his knee. Ted, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I did construction work most of my life. I retired in '93, and my knee got progressively worse until I had an extremely hard time walking downstairs. And I didn't know what my options were until I heard about Dr. Alamedi here.
Okay. And what was your reason for coming in here? What knee was it?
It was both knees, but primarily my right knee, but both knees were paining.
Okay.
I figured I was too old for a replacement.
Okay. And how do you feel today compared to the first day you came in here?
Much better. No pain, and I can walk down the steps about 80%.
Awesome.
What I could before.
That's great. What has your experience been like in here?
Very good. Everybody's been helpful and trying to be kind and everything. I have no regrets or no complaints about anybody in here.
Oh, thank you. What was the reason that you chose our office?
I saw his advertisement in the Atlantic City Press.
Mm-hmm.
And that brought me down here.
Okay. Did you have any kind of uncertainties before joining this program?
No.
No?
Not about the program.
Good.
Just about myself.
Okay. All right. If you were to recommend this program to somebody, what would you say to them?
I would say I would highly recommend it. I don't know if it's good for everybody, but it was certainly good for me.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you, Ted.
Okay.
I'm glad the knee's feeling better.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.